being here, you join a long, unbroken line of service at Jacksonville, from the naval aviators from World War II to Korea to Vietnam, among them a great patriot named John McCain. And as we come up on the 100th anniversary of naval aviation next year, we're committed to the next generation of aircraft.
And thanks in part to great mentors who saw his deep inner strength, his leadership qualities, he flourished, rising to command the Carrier Strike Group, U.S. naval forces in Europe, and serving as the 28th Chief of Naval Operations.
This summer, that fuel will power ships and subs during the world's largest naval exercise.
New mission, NATO and the United States and our naval assets are prepared to assist in a robust way where appropriate.